What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back again with another one, man. Now, as y'all can see, we in a nice new scenery, but that's besides the point. Today's video, I'm gonna be talking to you woofers, my woofers out there, people who are woofing, and your woof is just failing. Your woof is failing horrible. You don't know what to do. You going on these high woofs, trying to keep up with your favorite YouTuber, trying to keep up, you feel me, with the rest of the Instagrammers or people on Facebook group chats or your favorite waver, period. And you can't. Let me tell you why you can't keep up, or just let me tell you why your woof is failing. So, number one thing, we're gonna start off. I'm gonna give y'all probably 10. I'm gonna try to give y'all 10. This is off the top of the head. I'm not writing the video down or none of that. None of my videos are written down. Somebody in the comments got to tell me my videos are sound scripted. No, bro. I'm just making sure that I'm coming off the head the right way, and I'm telling y'all like it is. So, the number one thing that you guys are doing wrong is, I know I may have woofed past 10 weeks, but you do not need to woof no more than 10 weeks. After 10 weeks, at this point, you're just doing it for the fun of it. There's no more progress to gain. There's no more, forks to break. At this point, you're just doing it for the game, for the fun of it. After 10 weeks, you've already fulfilled as a coarse hair waver, and after 10 weeks, you're pretty much done. You feel me? I say for other textures, like medium hair texture, bro, you're pretty much done after 10 weeks. You have to, and the thing is, like, and as far as, I can't forget about my straight hair wavers. Y'all hair take longer to curl, so if someone's telling you, oh, your waves is pretty much done after 10 weeks, they might be, depending on what your curl length is. But if your curl length is at higher weeks, that means you're gonna have to woof for a little longer because your hair is already at that length. So 10 weeks may not be nothing to you. You feel me? So your 10 weeks might be your 5 or 7 or 8 guard you getting cut with for a straight hair waver. But I say the cap would be like 10, 15 for straight hair waver. Excuse me. And I just feel like that because it's like, after 10 weeks, your hair, you've already made all the progress that you're gonna make, okay? 10 weeks, 2 months, that's 2 months. That's all the progress that you need. Well, 2.5 months, let's just be exact, because it's 4 weeks in a month. So 4 and 4, that's 8, 2.5. So y'all drew me in the comments, it's 2.5. So I just feel like that progress is already done, bro. You done went 2 months in a week or two without getting a cut. You've already brushed. Everything is already connected. You broke everything. It's time to cut and go on another 10 and stack them up. You don't have to keep going and hit the 20, because if you keep doing that, then you basically over curling at this point. And a lot of people, where they fail to realize is, over curling. So we're done. I've told y'all about 10 weeks, right? Doing the second one, over curling. Now, a lot of you over curl and don't know what over curling is. And a lot of you tend to keep woofing after the fact that your waves are over curled already. You've already started over curling and you're not being able to maintain your waves. So once you're to the point to where you can't maintain your waves, you feel me? And your waves are unmanageable, that means that you're over curling. But there are also other meanings for that too, we're gonna get to later in the video. But when you're over curling, it's hard to lay down your woof. You got that one prickly or them couple prickly that's not laying down. You got all these different hairs that are not laying down in different sections of your head. That means you're over curling. I don't care how much the rest of your hair is laying down. The moment you start having little pieces of curls or little tiny pieces of a curl not laying down, or finding it harder for that piece to lay down, or you unrag and that little tiny piece is coming up, I know y'all know what I'm talking about because it's happening to me. It happened to me before. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. That means you're over curling, bro. It's not just that one little piece is struggling. Your hair is over curled at this point. It's reached its maximum curl length and it's trying to force itself to lay down. That's why when you unrag, that one little piece of curl is always sticking up, because it's reached its curl length. Your hair's already reached its curl length. The rest of your hair is already trained to lay down because you've been on your woof, you've been maintaining your woof, but now the rest of your hair is gonna start turning into little tiny prickle little hairs that's not laying down, and then your whole entire head. At that point, you're not woofing anymore, you're growing a fro. You're over curling. Time to cut. So just know your curl length, know your capacity, how far you can go on the woof, how far your curl length is, where your curl length starts. It's not hard to find that. To find your curl length, simply cut your hair, scalp, and watch your hair grow. As you watch your hair grow, you will know, okay, I know my hair tends to start to curl up because I've been brushing and forcing my hair to lay down. Because in the first two, 3 weeks, your hair is, you're training it to lay down. So you're basically training little stick up pricklies to lay down. Then after that, your hair starts to curl up because now it's already trained to lay down. Now you just brush and lay down curl, so now it's gonna start retracting. Your hair is gonna start, you're brushing it, it's gonna start retracting back, you feel me, into formation, and you pull in straight hair. So it's eventually gonna wave up because now it's starting to reach its curl length because your hair is getting thicker as you're brushing straight hair, and it's getting thicker and you're still brushing it down, you're forcing it to lay down. That's what creates a curl, because you're forcing curls to lay down. It's nothing but laid down curls. Talked about woofing over 10 weeks and over curling. Now our third one that we're gonna talk about is basically, I've already talked about that, knowing your curl length. You feel me? I just told you about that. So we're gonna just skip to 4, okay? We're gonna skip to 4. So for the fourth one about your woof is know your limits. So when I say know your limits, I mean know when to stop. Pretty much, you need to start off baby steps. Everybody knows the woof don't start until 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, you're officially woofing. Go baby steps. Go to 6 weeks. That's how I started. I went to 6 weeks. Boom. After 6 weeks, I tried 10. You can go lower. You could try 8. You could try 7. You could try 9. Then get to 10. Then after that point, you could woof for fun and go to, see how long you can keep going and laying down your curls and not over curling at the same time, and see how far you can go without over curling. So basically, yeah, like knowing your limits, bro. Like start baby steps. Take baby steps as you go. You feel me? Now for the 5th one, this is gonna be the last one I give y'all because I'm gonna be talking on forever and ever, and we already at the 10-minute mark. I don't want to make a 20-minute long video of me just talking. You feel me? But pretty much for 5, I'm gonna just give y'all 5, quick 5. 4, and I'm slipping because I'm on a hardwood floor. So if y'all see me steady moving around like this, I'm kind of slipping because I got on socks. But for 5, man, this follows up with all of them at once. Okay. You can't start woofing and fall off. You can't woof and fall off. You cannot woof and slack. You cannot say, okay, I'm finna woof this long, or I'm just finna start woofing and I'm not gonna keep track of how long I'm going. I'm just gonna go until I start to overcurl. Before I start to overcurl, I'm gonna get it cut. So either way, whether you're tracking your woof or not tracking your woof, you need to stay on it, bro. You cannot let up. I don't care. You have to brush every day. Now, no, I'm gonna brush today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be like, nah, I'm not gonna brush. I'm gonna chill out, play the game. No, you have to brush every day because your hair is growing every day. Every day that your hair grows, your woof is escaping from you. It's gone, it's leaving you. It's gonna leave you behind. I've had my woof leave me behind before due to work outside of YouTube. So I've had, mind you, I do have a life outside of YouTube, you know, so I can't always, you know, when I drop, you feel me? So just know I'm gonna forever be dropping, you know. But that's a different subject for a different video. But like I said, you gotta be on top of it, bro. You gotta be brushing every day. If you're not applying oil and keeping your hair moisturized every day, it gotta follow suit. If you taking your do-rag off to moisturize, brush. Get a quick brush session in, bro. It don't have to be an hour-long brush session. You can literally brush for 10 minutes, bro. 5 minutes. You can just hit it quick and be done, bro. Yes, you're not gonna be able to break them forks in that woof, but guess what? You're still making some type of progress because that brush is still moving. As long as that brush is still moving, you're still making progress. I don't care if it's baby progress. I don't care if you didn't break no forks. Something's gonna change as long as you keep that brush moving, bro. That's the whole point of woofing. That's the whole shebang, bro. You can't let up. You can't stop woofing, bro. I don't care if it's for a day. You have to brush every single day of that woof, bro. Take it serious. If you want to be that next waver, take it serious. You want to be that next waver, take it serious and actually brush, bro. Take your waves to the next level. Become elite. You feel me? Y'all want to become like the next, well, 360G's ain't got no waves right now, but y'all want to come like the next top waver or get like me? Brush every day. Now, do I brush every day? Yeah, I may slack every now and then, but I'm talking as far as the woofers. If you woof, I'm not woofing right now. I'm not woofing. So you woofing. That's why you click on this video, because you woofing. So I'm gonna need you to brush every day, bro. What? What you mean you're not finna listen to me, bro? You clicked on this video because you obviously needed some tips on as far as your woof and how to maintain it. So that you mean you're not finna just listen to my video or click the like button, bro? You said what, bro? Click the like button right now, bro. If you don't click that like button, bro, we're gonna have some problems, bro. I'm gonna need you to like right now. Well, I got you by your throat, boy. Like the video right now. Subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already, because I'm gonna be dropping. All right, and go check out the new rags. I got new rags available right now. In my next video, I will be showing y'all. This is just a quick update video just to let y'all know about woofing and let y'all know that I have new do-rags, new silkies. I have a pink lemonade silky. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen, and I also have a Laker gold. Yes, a Laker gold, bro. That championship gold. Yes. Get your do-rags right now. And I'm also looking for brand ambassadors. So if you want to be a brand ambassador towards my brand and get all that exclusive stuff, hey man, I ain't gonna say too much. Just DM me on Instagram at ricothewaver. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna chop it up with you. I'm DMing everybody back, so make sure you chop it up with me on Instagram. If you don't got an Instagram, go ahead and just head over to the link in the bio. It's gonna be the only link in the bio to become an ambassador, and it'll explain everything for you. But if you want further details, hit me on Instagram at ricothewaver.